Hello everyone, welcome to my channel blogmonk, where I simplify blogging, SEO and YouTube. In today's video, you're going to learn about YouTube Shorts getting monetized. But there is something you need to know. Now the YouTube has announced on Tuesday that they are going to create a fund of 100 million that is going to pay the most popular creators. The company said that they are going to distribute this fund from the coming months and throughout 2022. Now, why monetization is required? Now, since YouTube Short has become a new trend and lots of creators are creating the content, and if they don't get monetized, then they will not get the necessary motivation to create more videos. And hence, in order to motivate the creators, YouTube has come up with the decision of creating such fund. Now, who can participate? As per YouTube, anyone is eligible to participate in this fund by creating unique short videos that will delight the YouTube community. So the only two criteria that is required for you to participate and get the fund, a portion of the fund, is that your video has to have the most engagement and views each month, and number two, you have to create original content for the short, and that must adhere with the community guidelines. Now, as per the news, YouTube is going to reach out to the thousands of creators every month who are going to receive the most engagement and views, and they are going to pay them from their side. Now, the problem with this is that you do not know who is going to get the money. Right now, they have not given any hardcore guidelines like your number of subscribers or the watch hour you required, because this fund is completely separate from YouTube's partner program, for which you need 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour of watch time. Now this is good because new creators, they do not have such numbers, so even they can also participate in the YouTube Shorts and can get the required monetary motivation. So as per YouTube, eligible creators don't have to be a partner program with their long-standing YouTube partner program. All they have to do is that create the most engaging content so that you get engagement and views, and the content has to be original by going through the community guidelines. So even if you don't have 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour, you are going to get it. Apart from that, there are a few features that are coming on YouTube Shorts. They are automatic captions to shorts, plus recording up to 60 seconds with YouTube Short camera, and also adding clips from your phone gallery to recording made through YouTube Shorts camera, plus certain basic filters to color correction your shorts. So this was it. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you.